Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the Windows on Windows 11 where the on-screen keyboard will not work, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. First of all, before anything else, you have to press the Windows key, the Control key plus O. O as in Oscar. So Windows plus Control plus O, and this will open the on-screen keyboard. And in the on-screen keyboard, you can use it for typing and all. Okay. Now this is one thing. Other than the on-screen keyboard, other than this solution, you need to make sure that the latest update is installed on your computer. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates to make sure that the latest update is available. And if this doesn't help either, then it may be possible that a third party software is interfering. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.